Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to blur background into your Slack. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to blur your background, you just simply have to open Slack application into your computer, and after opening the Slack application, just simply go to this huddle section, and after going into the huddle, maximize it into your full screen. Now after coming into this space, you just simply have to tap into these three dots, and after that you will get to see three options into here, and one of them is camera background. Just simply tap into that camera background option, and now after tapping into that option, you will get to see so many options into here. You just simply have to choose this blur option into here, and after tapping into this blur option, your background will successfully be blurred into black. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.